Remember, inflection means change. Inflection is the change in the form of a verb. First, inflection of verbs for person. This means the verb must agree with its subject. Let's examine these verb forms. First person singular, I sit. First person plural, we sit. Second person singular and plural, you sit. Third person singular, he sits, she sits, it sits. Third person plural, they sit. Notice the third person singular verb form changes from sit to sits. This change in the form of the verb in order to agree with its subject is called inflection of verbs for person. Second, inflection of verbs for number. This means the verb must agree with its subject in number. In other words, whether the subject is singular or plural. Example: the bird flies. The singular subject bird requires the verb form flies. Another example: the birds fly. The plural subject birds requires the verb form fly. When the verb changes as the subject changes, the verb is said to agree with its subject in number. This is called inflection of verbs for number. Third, inflection of verbs for tense. This means the verb changes form to show whether the action is in the present, the past, or the future. Example, present tense: I walk. Past tense: I walked. Future tense: I will walk. These verb changes are called inflection of verbs for tense.